replacing the handle, the outside handle of my Ford Escape. And behind this handle there are two torque screws, T20, and the other one here at the T22. So I already took that other one. Yep, this is where the other end is, and then the other one is over here, which is visible to this hole. You need a long driver extension to access that one. And once the screw is out, we're just gonna pull this one, and then this one, slide it towards you, and then yep, so you got rid of that one. I'll just leave the gaskets here and put that here. These are the two torque screws. These are my replacement, so they are white ones, and if you compare them, they are basically identical. So we're gonna put first the handle. Oop. It moved. Basically move. Then slide it over. Yep, that's secure. Then for the white one, you're gonna insert this. Insert that in the hole. Slide it in. Yep. So, yep, make sure the gasket is in place. Okay, there's no keyhole in here. The keyhole is only on the driver's side. So we're gonna put the torque screws back in. So I'm tightening it. It's quite tricky to this one, this side, this is quite tricky to screw in. Tightening the torque screw, which is way inside there. There you go. Not too tight. This is plastic. Tighten it. It's plastic, so don't overdo it. Now they're tightened. Check it out. Yep, they're tight. So we're gonna turn the cover. Moisture barrier. I made a small incision here. Yep. Put that in. And then we'll try closing it. There you go. Close. Works good. So we can return the panel. So I forgot something. Got to return this one. Forgot the bracket that we removed. So we're gonna put that back in. Yeah, a bracket that holds the guides for the window. So you need to put that back in. I think it's an 8 mm. Yep. Yep. So it's just a plastic bracket to hold this rubber thing. Yep. It will just, when you put it, it will just move in place. Now to finalize it. Yep. Cover, but yeah, and then the panel for the plugs and I'm replacing the driver side exterior handle And I took out the panel and the cover. It's accessible through this hole. You don't need the long extension or a long screwdriver. On the lock side is actually longer compared to the other side, the handle side. Replacement. It's a little beat up, but it's white in color, so it's way better. So we need to take this out first. Yep. Slowly take it out so that this one will not fall. And then this one, slide it inwards. Yep. And then that's it. So I'm gonna put in the new one, and we're gonna slide it. Yep. And then the keyhole portion of it, I'm gonna slide it in. Yep. And it should, yep, it should snap in place. There you go. And now time to put the screws in. So this one goes over here all the way there, and I have to find the hole. Okay, so now I got it tightened. Yep. And this one too. Let's see, yep, that one. I have to tighten it. Yep. So yeah, there you go. And the keyhole over here. Put the cover back. Yep. Put the cover back. And the panel. And time to put the connectors. So here's the final product. Both of them are white now instead of black. And I could open it. Yep.